शादी के बाद. Growing up, मेरा घर was a unique mixture, where my dad's dissidence was like the India Alliance. Recently found, never actually won, but just happy that he is doing better. And my mom was the conveniently orthodox ruling party. सबका साथ खुद का विकास. I'm kidding. Amit Shah bhi aaye hue fan. I do say conveniently because when I was 17, my mummy is the reason that I became a student speaker at the National Student Parliament. But she's also the reason that I've never been on an all-girls trip to Goa. And her response to everything is, शादी के बाद करना. कार ड्राइविंग सीखे? शादी के बाद. Tattoo करवाए please? शादी के बाद. At one point, I remember seeing a clip of Manushi Shilar being crowned Miss World, and I would look in the mirror and practice my wave and smile. And when I asked Mummy, her response, Mrs. World ban jana. I know. They say change begins at home, and for me it did. Because after all this, the next time I saw a mirror, I covered it. The next time I heard a broken voice inside, I didn't protect it. I got used to people telling me what I am best suited to be. And for 23 years of my life, it was everything that I did not want to be. But soon, I was 24. And I met the man of my dreams. We were both in the office cafeteria. We were trading mates. We both reached out for the last packet of Snickers. Our hands touched. Our eyes met. The wind gushing और मन में बज रहा था. Just kidding. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. But there comes a time when you have met the right person, when your hands just lock right. When their breath on your neck is tantalizing but comforting. When your eyes meet in a party, it's let's get out of here or oh my god, this guy just farted. When you're both okay with watching the 100th rerun of Friends while eating takeout food from a bowl because comforting food needs comforting company. And I was here now, living in the doing things after getting married phase when I was asked that dreaded question. नहीं, it's not बच्चा कब करोगे, but a different one. बेटा, शादी के बाद नाम क्यों नहीं चेंज किया? Now, there's one marriage advice that my mom had given me, and that it's bad manners for a girl to have a tongue and unforgivable to have a brain. So I tried to steer the conversation in a different direction. I said, बस ऐसे, why go through the paperwork, वगैरह वगैरह. But then came the landing blow. तो फिर शादी क्यों की? तो फिर शादी क्यों की? Suddenly, I could split my life into two dimensions, one where I used to belong and one where I did not belong. There was a curtain along the edge that could not absorb me, an abyss under my feet calling me, my breathing slow, speeding time, my fingers shiny cobwebs, breaking under the momentum of my plummeting identity and identity of a cattle, awaiting its turn to be shaved and branded. I stood there in a trance osmosis where every breath drawn in would surge the water level till it reaches my eyes, and then it struck me. This was my Miss World moment. So I crackled my spine straight, took a deep breath, smiled, chin not too high, just like I had practiced, and said, thank you for this opportunity and your question. Throughout womanhood, I have stood on the grave of a rebellious girl. A young girl whose mouth was choked with choices thrusted there grew into a woman who did not know the privilege of an empty throat. She kept thinking empty throat, empty hollow voices until now. In this country where maiden names are still common, I want to be less than my own name. I just want to be my father's daughter. In that moment, amongst the applause echoing, I could feel the crown descending as I waved and smiled. And you know what? I did become Mrs. World. Shaadi ke baad. Thank you.